Animals have been used in some of the craziest experiments in history, and these five will make you say WTF out loud. In the 1950s, the Soviet Union launched stray dogs into space to test survival. Laika the dog became the first living creature to orbit Earth, but sadly she never made it back. Scientists once engineered cats to glow green under UV light. The purpose? To study genetic resistance to diseases. In the 1960s, researchers injected an elephant with a massive dose of LSD to see its effects. The result? Total chaos and tragedy. Scientists spliced spider DNA into goats so their milk would produce silk proteins. Yes, goat milk silk was a real thing. In the 1970s, a surgeon actually transplanted the head of one monkey onto another. The monkey survived briefly, but could not control its new body. During the Cold War, scientists exposed mice to dangerous levels of radiation just to see how long they could survive. Spoiler, not long. In Idaho, wildlife officials once literally dropped live beavers out of airplanes using parachutes to relocate them to new habitats. During World War II, military researchers tested tiny explosives on rabbits to measure blast effects. Yes, it really happened. From parachuting beavers to radioactive mice, these experiments prove science can be just as WTF as science fiction. Which one shocked you most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.